Hello everyone, it's been a while since I make a YouTube video, but I want to show you guys when I'm starting my engine again. It's been 1.5 years since I turned on this bike, the engine, because I'm installing so many parts and all the parts came with delay, blah 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 blah. But now finally the engine is ready to be turned on again. I already changed the exhaust, so you're also going to hear the new exhaust. The exhaust is an SC Project WSBK exhaust, but I changed the silencer from SC Project to Termignoni. For now, let's just start the engine. Now, as you can see, it's asked to insert date because it's been a while since I turned on this bike. So I'm gonna press start here.